Well, so Kamrul is my student. I'm his mentor. We serve digital marketing, data entry, virtual assistant, SEO, web design, and lots of things for a company. So as you mentioned, like you need a few lead generation, few schedule posting to grow your engagement, and I think also you need like a WordPress website, right?
Yeah, so I have one idea of where I want to start, but a little about me. I run a real estate marketing company over here in Texas. It's operating just fine, but the mainly the LinkedIn posting is just too time consuming, and I want to kind of hand that off to do some content creation and managing the LinkedIn account. Our target market is pretty simple. It's just realtors in the area. So there are a lot of them and they're clearly marked as their realtors and the pitch is fairly easy. So it's just kind of contacting them, getting in front of them as many as possible. So that's kind of the simple stuff that I want to start with. I'm also launching a kind of a brand building consulting company that will be fully digital. So I'm working on kind of the framework and logistics of that right now. I think that would also be something that if I'm throwing tasks this way, maybe you're helping with more of that content creation or Twitter or maybe even web development stuff. I have a basic WordPress kind of template and I'm familiar with, I've done plenty of WordPress sites and I know a few coding languages and I can develop on my side. It's more just time saving where I can kind of outsource a couple things that need to be created or built in from there. And then beyond that, there are a couple other tasks. It's mainly geared towards sales, cold calls, outreach, lead generation, content creation and management, things like that. So what I kind of want to do is kind of have a one-stop shop of if I just go to you with, hey, I need to get this done, whether you do it or even if you want to outsource or gather other options, I think that's what makes it easy. Because I've worked with Upwork before and it's...
I got it. So the thing is, no problem for the content creation and the post. No problem for the social media manage. We can also do search engine optimization. We can also do graphics. We can also do the video editing. We have a different team. Okay. So I trained people digital marketing, including digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube ads, like that, and also lead generation, email marketing. So except cold calling, we do all. For developing, I have a team, and for the other things, I have a good team. So once we you have a project, so we can make a meeting. Then you will hand over the project. Then I will give to the team, because here once if you want, then you cannot export all those areas, right? So that's my focus. I'm only focusing the social media part and virtual assistant part, and I have the other team for they are making the website, they are making the SEO, they are making the video editing for me, for my client. Once I get the project, I hired them partially or the project based. That we help you for that all solution except cold calling.
Yeah, that's fine.
In our countries, there is few phonetics problem. few Very few people know English in well. Those are freelancer working, like 10% freelancer speak out in fluently. So as I'm a mentor, so I help my students. Those clients comes, then we can get together on Zoom and make meeting so that we can handle our client projects. Last 3 years, I have been training people. I'm as a level 2 seller in Fiverr, Upwork, Marketplace, operator seller. So we can do as well everything as needed except the cold calling.
Cool. Yeah, that works. How does pricing work? Or is it project based or task based?
Depend on the project based first time. Once you would be you work with us for a long time, then we can give you the discount. Okay, because first time we have to go the project based. Obviously, we will give you the smart price and the affordable price for you, not high price. For developing part, for video editing part, although the separate project, what you will bring or you give me. So before handle the project, you just ask me, hey John, I need that part. So tell me the price. Okay, then you get the ideas like which type of video, how many dollar we charge, or like the virtual assistant part. You can give us the per hour $5 is a standard price. For website making, it's depend on the page, animation, the UI UX design. So it's a different part. And for the social media management part, it's like around your all social media we can manage $350 or $500 in a month. All like API conversion tracking, content creation, ad run, reporting, posting, everything. So we can do that.
Okay, cool. Like I said, the thing that I would want to start with is really just LinkedIn. I have my company page already set. I've done quite a few posting, and I've used like automation tools, and there's a couple pieces of software and ChatGPT and things like that where I'm auto-generating content and I'm just posting it. So it's mainly just to know that there's a presence on there. And
Yes.
some of the stuff gets 2 likes, some of it gets no engagement, but I want to make sure that there's consistent posting on there, because when we do talk to somebody, one of the first things they look back at and say, go look back at the LinkedIn. So
like
it's
once you give us the LinkedIn account sub access, then like we will do per day one post, like at different time, like in USA morning time, sometimes the noon time, sometimes the evening time. So content creation, for we also use the chat GPT, like once you give us the $300 or $200 in a month, so I cannot hire the content creator for that type of post. So we use also the chat GPT. We are very much expert in that areas. And we have the like a graphics designer, 2 type of graphic designer. One is regular post basis, I put them few less money. One is the higher too much like high quality service, so I those client give us the good money in a month, then I deal with that expert team. So there you can go with me any prices, like in a month only you are focusing LinkedIn.
I think so. I think it makes most sense for really outreach. There are a lot of realtors on LinkedIn, so messaging. I've used other services too. Are you familiar with Expandy?
Okay, so not Expandy, like if you give us the total project, like I have to message them, I have to reply them, I have to manage like like post content, everything in a month, then you can give us like $350 or $300 like that money in a month. Okay, so content creation, because there is few part, different part, need to everyday focus. Okay, so once it's a regular basis job, so we can go with your LinkedIn, we can join few realtor types groups, or also we can post on that group also, because we need the engagement. That's our focus, not only posting on the pages. So suppose if I able to join through your computer like LinkedIn, like 10-20 groups, then we can put the same content in 5 group in a day. Okay, so next day again, not every day in the same group. So like if we manage like join like 100 groups, so we can post per day 5-6 group in a day, otherwise it goes to the spamming. So also we can message, we can replay, and we can, like, you will give us the few focus content, then we can target base people to grow your business. Okay, send them SMS, email also. So whatever paid tools need, like you can give us the like sales navigator for brings the like your account should be saved, and we can reach out more maximum. Okay,
Yeah. Like I said, I think that's probably the best place to start, just because it's simple and it's measurable and it's kind of clear objectives. The other things that I'm working on launching, and more of that kind of next level, more detailed work, which includes like market research and all that kind of stuff. Maybe after a month or 2 when we're doing this, I can start handing over things like that too. And figuring out the way that we work together and stuff like that is going to be helpful.
Obviously. Do you use WhatsApp?
What is that?
WhatsApp, yeah?
I don't, but I can. I'm familiar with it. I don't regularly use it though.
Okay, so it would be easy to make a good communication. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Okay, so send me your WhatsApp number, then connect with me, then just pinch me what type of content you want to fix, then we'll send you the price. So half of the money you will give us in a month advance, and half of the end of the month. Okay. And we have PayPal, so I'll send you the invoice. You can give me the money through PayPal. It would be more easy.
Okay. All right. I'll send it to I'll send the WhatsApp number to the LinkedIn message that I have going here. And then we can continue to communicate from there. I have a couple documents to send, and I can even give you access to Dropbox. I have hundreds of photos that we use that we've taken, so you have portfolio and kind of stuff that can be posted, and then a couple instructions on
obviously
target market, our targets.
If you give us the fair and fresh instruction, obviously we'll follow your direction, boss. No problem. We are very much
and then you can look through the account and see what's been posted. You'll be able to tell what types of postings have worked.
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
So like $300 in a month, we can post, we can create content, we can message, we can reach out on behalf of you. In a month, you give us the in advance 50%, 50% in of the month.
All right, I'll send you the WhatsApp number. We can continue the conversation there.
Okay, so Kamrul,
thank you.
WhatsApp number নিয়ে আমাকে দিয়ে দাও, ঠিক আছে? Okay, thank you for joining with us.
All right, thank you.
Hope we can
Thanks.
make our business
Bye.
together. Okay, bye.
Sounds good.